Check out that turtle. He's looking right at me. Look at that. How cool is that? You stay there. He almost like just swam right over to see me. Oh yeah, look at him. That's neat. Hello, friend. You see his reflection? I can totally still see him. Oh, he went under. Oh, that was neat. He was just like swimming over here to check me out. I'll be quiet for a minute, see if he comes back. That's gorgeous. Ugh. Golden hour. Oh my gosh. Stunning. Why is there so much activity in the water? Right here. Is that something's in there? Wow. What a stunning day.